Tabeta Cshae, representing for OneKnockTV. Yes, over there.
Sparta Angel, how are you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
Not too bad. I noticed that name has been following you around, Sparta Angel. Why do you think that is the case?
Because I did the song, Sparta Angel with Tommy Lee. You know, so ever since, a lot of people couldn't pronounce Tabeta Cshae, you know, they're always like, that's something there, it's really hard sometimes. So they just got an easier name, they named me the song, Sparta Angel. So I think that's how this name came about.
So Tabeta Cshae, how did that name came about?
Tabeta is actually my biological name. Yes, the Cshae was my original artiste name. You know, I kind of worked it, you know, with a little raffle thing because it was, you know, everybody was saying, no, Tabeta, everybody was saying Cshae, Tabeta Cshae. So I was like, you know what, let me please everyone.
Alright. So how long have you been in the business now?
I've been doing music for 13 years now.
Okay. And what has it taught you so far?
It has taught me that you need strength as a woman in your everyday life because trust me, it's really challenging being a male dominant attorney.
So why do you think males dominating the music business so much?
I really don't know. I just think they prefer males, you know, because, you know, the kind of the situation there with the women getting pregnant and, you know, emotions, and some men, the men can't deal with the emotions of the women, and, you know, them have them investment, them invest in this, and then she get pregnant, and then all of that would go down the drain. Or most of the women in music, most of them lazy. You know, so I'm not gonna get that drive there, that hunger there, like when I get into the meal. So I think it has something to do with that, it's like everything.
Okay. So 13 years ago when you started, what song do you remember the song that you started with?
It's not even about starting with the song, we were just vibing in studio.
Okay.
You know, a friend of mine gave me a CD because I'm a very big fan of poetry. You know, I was actually an English teacher at one point. Yes. So, you know, music just take over my whole life. The old dreams of the art music just come interfere with my life. You know, so I think 13 years ago, I Need Your Love, featuring Drago. That's the guy that gave me my first track. So that's the first song that I recorded. And after recording that song, I just couldn't go back.
So the transition from 13 years to now, how have your career flourished?
I think it has done well. You know, artists have certain things like a stage where they want to perform, you know, a crowd that you want to be in, you know, and so far I've fulfilled not everything. You know, there are some things left, you know, but I've done really well, you know, from where I'm coming from. Trust me, where I'm coming from to today is an accomplishment.
So tell us some of the shows that you have worked on.
Well, I've worked on, you know, the infamous thing, Reggae Summer Fest. Most of the big shows are like overseas, you know, like 1 or 2 reggae festivals. Yeah. So those are the 2 biggest shows in Jamaica. The next show that I want to work on here is Jazz and Blues. So that is my next aim, Jazz and Blues.
Alright. So fans overseas, how have they received you?
Quite well. I've always gotten most of the love comes from overseas. Any artist can attest to that. You know, the rest of the world, outside the world, they accept you, music overall more. You know, so it has been overwhelming. It has been really good when I step out of Jamaica.
So where would you say you feel most comfortable overseas?
As in fan base?
Yeah.
Wow. I have a very huge fan base in Guyana. You know, and last year summer I went on a radio tour. Yeah, in the US. And it was really good. You know, I think if I spent a lot of time there, more time there, you know, promoting my stuff, you know, I would get that feedback that I'm looking for. You know, but I know it's there, it's just to go there. Because the last time when we went to Jamaica Avenue in Queens, oh my God, it was like in Jamaica. You know, so it's a really good reception.
Alright. What sort of new songs you have out now?
Well, right now I'm coming to Hot Girls Step Out in the town and Tabeta Records. On the hot, on the focus line right now. You know, music and I said to you when you focus on two things at one time. So right now I'm just going to change up the thing a little bit. You know, if I want to be focused when I want to be focused on. So right now, Hot Girls Step Out. Right now we're stepping out in the streets.
So the summer is coming up and summer is the pinnacle moment within the dancehall industry. So what can fans expect from you?
Well, you know, I have a tune called Hot Girl Step Out and Look Good Girl. So I'm representing for the ladies because TabetaCshae representing for the ladies then all the time. You know what I say? So I have a summer song, one. You know, I'm concentrating on one this summer. The same song, Hot Girl Step Out, you know, to take over the summer, you know, to get the girls' attention, to get the girls into dance because right now it's all about the ladies. You know, so that is what my aim is right now for the summer. Hot Girl Step Out, that's what I'm promoting right now.
So fans can expect an EP from you or a mixtape from you soon?
Yeah. Actually working on my EP right now. You know, my first non-sing EP, but you know, different side of Tabeta. You know, kind of EP, like a dance song. You know, a lot of people get dance song from Tabeta, especially like reggae, because my original fan is not a reggae singer actually. You know, but I was kind of drawn over into the dancehall when I did the song Tommy Lee. So I don't ever represent both sides. So I'm actually putting out a dancehall video right now. Change up the team.
So when can fans expect that?
You can expect it sometime early September.
So have you decided on a name?
Not yet. I'm thinking of naming it from maybe one of the tracks of the album. Sorry. You know, so
Okay.
I'm thinking of intoxicating, but I'm not sure yet. I'm working on it, you know, still in the process, you know.
You have been in the game for 13 years and I'm sure you have worked with a lot of producers. So give me 5 of the producers that you enjoy working with.
Well, Mr. Handel, top of for one. Sly and Robbie. Clive Hunt. It's most like a reggae song. You know, Cornelius, of course. You'll hear of Cornelius. And who else? Homer Harris. You know, I can't leave up my father. He's like a father to me, you know, father in music. Foundation from Judgment Hill, because the Judgment Hill started. You know, so we can't leave him out.
So are there any producers that you see currently in dancehall that you would like to work with?
I'm not looking. You know, I focus on where I am. That's, you know, Cornelius Records. So yes, over there, yes, over there. You know, really focus. If we reach out there and then come, fine. You know, look.
So you would say the same thing with regards to collaboration with other artists then?
You know, say the collaboration is something. Be real with you. If it's not beneficial to me, I'm not. Sorry. You know what I say? Yeah. If it's not beneficial to me, I'm not. I have to see where it's going to benefit me in my career. You know, have a big impact. You know, at the moment. Yeah.
So knowing that dancehall is really competitive, how do you stay out of the competition? Because I noticed that your name hasn't been called up by other female artists. How have you tried to, you know, not to say filter your lyrics, but keep your lyrics clean?
My thing is different from mine. I think that you don't have to. I don't think you have to say a certain word in your song to be heard, or for a person, for the listener to feel a certain type of way. You know, I say that's how I speak. You know, that's how I put it in my music. So I don't feel I have a need for certain things to be seen. I don't say that's something there around the place now where you have to step out and just go over the edge. What people say about time of the master in music. Not in the time. You understand? So, you can keep up yourself all you want. If you're going to be seen, you're going to be seen. You're going to be heard, you're going to be heard.
So what are some of the things you can say to upcoming female artists?
I would say, first of all, assess yourself. Sure, say you have talent, because you have some of them just a step out, because they get up tomorrow morning and feel like say, well, them so they gonna trap. So them is them are artists, and them just a full of the place unnecessarily. You understand what I say? Talent. You understand what I say? You enter your body. Second of all, because everyday females complain about male, and the man them and the producer them. You have to enter your body while you're working. You understand what I say? So you have to have that something there. You have to know where you are, you have to know yourself. You understand what I say? You have to know where you are coming from, you have to know where you are going. And first of all, you have to be strong. Because a man is a man thing. You understand what I say? You have to have that something there. You have to have it. If you don't have it, you got a problem when you step out. You understand? So first of all, you have to just know yourself. And make sure you have the talent in a real life.
I know that you're quite a superstar on social media.
Well, I'm working on it. I'm still working on it.
So how are fans reacting to you there?
Really well. Really well. You know, we're still working on it because we're not going to go like say, oh, this. You know what I say? We're still working on it because I'm a brand. TabetaCshae is a brand. You never stop promoting your brand. You understand? Yeah, so not because yesterday you get a big highlight, you know, you stop now because everything is all. Man, everybody in the music business knows the music is not like that. It's a constant thing. You know what I say? It's a 9 to 5, it's a 12 to 12 spin. And you have to always promote yourself. You can't get comfortable yourself. Comfortable. You know what I say? So it's not even about being a superstar. Yeah, yeah. You know what I say? But we still have to work.
So for fans who don't know you and want to know you, where can they find you on social media?
Well, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, the whole works, Tabeta Cshae, and the spelling is Tabetashae. You know, but once you type in Tabeta, you know, I'll come up because I'm kind of different. I am different, so